Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2005 Kawasaki Vulcan Nomad 1500 heavyweight cruiser, beautiful touring package. The Nomad comes with locking side cases, two-tone paint, touring windscreen, floorboards, engine guards, shaft drive. Bike only has 22,000 miles. It's got a really nice passenger seat with backrest. This bike is in beautiful condition. Make your big bore touring cruiser dreams come true for just $59.99. Come on by, check it out. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.